Welcome guys to another new video. It's a long time since I don't record any video, but now I think to make a video on the on a latest software which is called Bpytop. It's a software similar to the HTOP, which is used to show your disk usage, RAM usage and CPU cores, and also the load average and uptime, how much time you running your laptop, like every details in your computers. But apart from the HTOP, Bpytop is more interactive and more specifically desktop or computer. And like, now let's go to their website. So just you need to search Google, and after that their repository, it's their official repository called Bpytop, and Bpytop is available for Linux OS X and FreeBSD, and for this you need Python 3.7 as a prerequisite. And now it is also available in Snapcraft, so you can install in using snap, like the command sudo snap install Bpytop classic. Now you can change the themes as well. So now let's install it. And for the macOS users, you can do like sudo pip3 install psutil upgrade, it's needed. And otherwise the installation process is quite similar for Linux, Mac OS X and FreeBSD. And the dependency you required is Python 3.7, Python 3 and psutil module as well. Now these are the some screenshot of this resource monitor Bpytop. Now you can interact with your environment as well, like killing the processes, so more information. Now for the, if you want PyPy, there you have the latest installations. So for this you just need to first you need to check if you have Python already installed in your system. Now I have already installed Python in my system, and the pip and now you can see that it's running. Now you can interact with your mouse. You can see that how much RAM is used, the cached, and the freedom. So I think it's a good software you can use to monitor your resources. I will give all the instruction to install it in the description of the YouTube video, so you can check it out. And the OS I used is Arch Linux. So thank you very much for staying with me, and let's see you in another next video.